Hello friends, today we are going to discuss some desirable features of CAD. There are some features of CAD, now we are going to discuss it. Number one is geometric modeling features, number two editing manipulations features, number three display control features, number four drafting features, number five programming facilities, number six analysis features, number seven connecting features. Now we are going to discuss it by details. Number one, geometric modeling features. A features to add geometric construction method like Cartesian and polar coordinates, absolute and incremental dimension, units, grid, and snap. 2D analytic features like point, line, arc, circle, and splines. See, 3D wireframe modeling features 3D like 3D lines, 3D faces, ruled surfaces, rotational sweep, and tapered sweep. D. Surface modeling features should be able to generate various types of sculpture surfaces such as the Bezier cones, B-splines. E. Solid modeling features example of block cylinders, pair cones, and prismaticity. F. Skinning and profiling features. G. Assembly features surface filtering and trimming. Editing number two is editing or manipulation features. Editing or manipulating the existing models at any stages of the product design. A. Transformation features translate, rotate, scale, mirror, etc. B. To alter the existing drawing stretching, trimming, undo, delete, erase, etc. C. Symbols features. Number three is display control features. To provide a user-friendly surface, to provide a user-friendly interfaces with effective visual characteristics such as window to identify set entities and editing function. Zoom to change the scale of the display of the object. Pen to move the object screen without changing the scale. Hidden to remove the hidden lines surface for the viewing and the geometry. Animation to display the number of the images in sequences to imitate the actual motion. Shading to show the 3D view of the image on screen complete and shaded appears on the images. Number four, drafting features. The developed model can be utilized for the purpose of the sharing and communicating the information for other application. It have huge different dimension types such as linear, angular, radius, circular, baseline, and limit dimension etc. In the feature sectioning to get the better visualization of the model or object. Number 5. Programming features. Integration with a small program developed in a programming language and avoid repetitive tasks. Programming facility allows the user to program especially for an application. Programming facility in a package. Grip in Unigraphics, VBNet, and Lisp for AutoCAD. Programs help the user to input the least amount of the information any required design. Number 6. Analysis feature. In modeling features, the packages should have many analysis features and facilities such as includes calculation of area, calculation of volume, calculation of mass, calculation of moment of inertia, calculation of center of gravity. In FEA, the developed model is converted into a finite element mesh and all the required data are calculated for analysis. Animation and facility is also used to see the assembly of the model. Number 7. Number 7 is connectivity features. The model or the objects generated in any of the package must be capable enough to be used as a input to any other analysis packages with or without convert the data graphics losses in minimum while transferring the data from one package to another. It should have very good data interfacing connectivity with other associated modules.